Hi guys, my name is Paul Palmer. I'm your new host here. I'm from Imo State, Nigeria, but I reside in Port Harcourt. So my PH and Imo State people, hope you guys are here watching. EFCC, they serious business for Nigeria now. They no come play at all. This matter be say EFCC recover $153 million and 80 houses from Hush Mommy herself. For those of una wey no know who this Hush Mommy be for Nigeria, na the former Minister for Petroleum Resources. Her name na Diezani Alison. Na this woman be the woman wey run comot from Nigeria go London go hide herself. Why? Because dem don dey investigate her for money laundering and bribery, things wey concern money. She run leave Nigeria go stay for London like say na her papa get London. And now the new EFCC boss im talk say dem recover $153 million and 80 houses wey worth $80 million. And im still dey wait for Alison make she come back Nigeria make dem investigate her for another case wey be INEC case wey concern $150 million. Like this, na so dollars I dey hear for this kind thing. Me, I don weak. Like Alison form my hand. Only one woman, no be say na man. Woman, only one woman. $153 million. I no call naira for this place. Dollars. Only that same one woman. 80 houses. 1, 2, 3. 80. I no talk 8 oh. 80 houses. One woman. This one na serious greediness. So this one na good example of criminal. Because I don't know how criminal supposed look like again. If you see Alison, you don't see criminal be that. Because I don't know wetin to talk again for this kind of matter. Like only one woman do all these things. If they leave herself, she fit buy the whole of Nigeria join. Plus the people wey dey inside, she go buy them join comot go London. Like go relax for London, say na she get all the money. Which kind of wahala be this now? The painful part be say na this same woman wey go for interview last year. She dey there, they talk about Yahoo boys. Just they criticize, just they run mouth, they talk, they criticize Yahoo boys. In fact, no need for me to dey waste speed. Make una use una own koro eyes. Watch am. Abeg project make dem see.
Will be the wrong one. The ones that have swag. The Yahoo boys, as my son would say. These, in short, are the role models that they are looking at. These are the ones who reinforce negative societal behaviors and values. This is a travesty of an unfolding tragedy for us. Why have I spent the time talking about fatherless homes and the impact that it has on our children? Well, the truth of the matter is that an irresponsible boy tends to become an irresponsible man. And it is therefore a vicious cycle. If you plant cocoyam, you cannot harvest plantain. It affects not only our homes and our culture, our cultural and traditional values and structure, it permeates the very strength of our regional economy as well. The consistent hard work and mental vigor needed to build a solid regional economic base in the Niger Delta becomes completely eroded.
Like this one, she don't pass Yahoo woman. In fact, even Yahoo boys, they learn work where she did. At least Yahoo boys, then they pick $100, $1,000, $2,000. She her own na millions of dollars. Like, which kind of wahala be this? I beg, Madam, Queen of England, I will call you Hush Mommy. I beg, if you dey watch this video, I beg, if you dey watch this video, come Nigeria. Use your mouth, talk to the Yahoo boys. Because you don't pass Yahoo work. This one pass here. Which kind? In fact, this her matter, I don't tire to talk. I don't drop pen, drop paper. I don't tire. I beg, I want to use this means, congratulate the new EFCC boss Bawa, because for this case, I will tell you from the depth of my heart, say this man try. Ain't try well for this matter now. Say they don't recover the money come Nigeria. But my own case be say, this money where they recover, where the money go? I be they won't carry and put for museum. Maybe people they look, because I don't know where this money they for this Nigeria where people they live. Like every day, then they recover this one, then they recover that one, then recover motor, recover money, recover. I beg all this recovery. Country still dey where in dey. Nothing dey happen. No better for the country. Like me, I dey ask myself, wetin dem dey use all these recoveries do? Because me, I don tire. Abi when EFCC, when APC dey power now, abi dem dey power now, abi when PDP come power, you go hear another thing wey APC do. When APC dey power, you go hear wetin PDP dey do for office. I no understand wetin dey happen for Nigeria. I don tire. Now here, me I go stop the talk for today. Now here I go stop today own story. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.